How are we doing today, folks? I'm Jeremy Mueller. I'm coming to you from Romano Chrysler Jeep located in Fayetteville, New York. I'm going to show you some new cool features on the brand new Apple and Android CarPlay. So one of the great features about the Apple Android CarPlay is here with the Apple CarPlay, I can hold my home key down. Hey Siri, take me to Romano Chrysler Jeep in Fayetteville, New York.
Getting directions to Romano Chrysler Jeep.
And it's as simple as that, folks. So press the go, and we're all ready to go. So I'm going to go back to my home key. It's easy as X and out as that. I can use my Pandora. I can use any audio books, any preferred navigation that I like. I can also use hands-free talk and text. If you prefer your Apple Music, you can use that as well. You can use Spotify or iHeartRadio. If you want to know more, folks, come on down to Romano Chrysler Jeep in Fayetteville, New York, and come take a test drive with me.